One of the recipes I'm always asked for is mango milkshake. We do this during the African session when I go into schools. I'm going to show you very quickly how we make this. We do use a slightly sweetened product. We use mango pulp. So it is a treat. You've got to be careful with the amount of sugar that you have. So we're going to use mango pulp as the base for this milkshake. We're also going to use beautiful live Easy-O yogurt. So let me show you. What we're going to first do is pour some mango pulp into the blender. About 1/4 of a tin. You can freeze the rest and use it as and when you want it. We're going to put a good 2-3 spoonfuls of this live yogurt into here. Very good for your digestive system. Excellent yogurt to use. A little bit more. I've got a small spoon today. I'll put the lid back on there. We'll add about 1/2 pint of milk, 3/4 pint of milk. And then just a little bit of ice. Lid on. Don't forget to put the lid on. And then just give it a blend. Oh, fantastic. Put it into glass. Ooh, beautiful, absolutely fantastic. Mango pulp you can get from international supermarkets. The one in Birkenhead is fabulous. Also, Tesco's do actually sell this product as well. But remember, once you've opened the tin, you can freeze it. Put it into plastic tubs, put it in the freezer. Then you can have it when you want it. Remember though, it's slightly sweetened, so it's a treat.